ounce make the body, then you bounce, girl, you hip them a kilogram, boom, boom, a pound and it.
The man say, I don't ounce make your body a bounce. Dog say, eat them a kilogram and your pum pum a pound. Bumbleclad, no. Kartel, you don't get a call for them. Yo, go on.
Me tight till it squeeze you, me love, dig it out and come.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Who? The Reaction Boss. No, message to the Heavy Queen. You remember when you dropped the video for Heavy? You know, so that I like the reaction video that start up the Reaction Boss. You know, say, hey boy, are you bad in the youth? Yeah, I gotta start with some reaction, you know, because of that video. This is the first video an artist is cheer for me. If you don't know, I give a little back history. You know what I say? Wipe on the back in argument. You know what I mean? But yeah. And so I do the Heavy reaction, dog. That was like one of my most viewed reaction videos. And then Jada was about man put it on our Instagram. And I say, well, no, pass. Can I say all the views I'm going to on the video that can I say something must go on? I see it, I'm going to repeat. I say, blood clot on the boy, that boy that ugly, man. I mean that on Jada Kingdom page, the Heavy Queen page, the big body girl them call Jada Kingdom page. You know me? But yeah, so that video there, she sharing the video really pushed me for do more reaction. And then me I say, I remember that I like January the 30th. December 20-something, that 29 and 30, you know. You see me? I tell you, I started this year, I started the reaction, you know. And this was the first video somebody shared for me. You see me? But you know, when I talk about that, you see me, I say that different. You know, I say, what I've Jada kicked the Vybz Kartel. Heavy remix. Heavy Bombuckle mix official lyric video. People, run the Bombuckle. Choo! What? Yo, you hear me? I say, like the video. So more people can get to see the video. Don't just watch the video and don't like the video. And you me attack when you like the video. Like the video. And drop the comments them right now. Drop the fire emoji them right now. And like the Bombuckle video. How you feel like? You can't come clip on man video. I don't like man video. I'll be a bad of blood clot on it. Me. Like the video. Now mention. Yeah, baby. Right now. You see all of the man that watch that video. I want to picture Jada kicking on pardon and shake. No. Pause. Sorry. Jada Kingdom on my man. I want a picture one different girl when I Jada Kingdom I come sit down for you right now. You did me say when Jada Kingdom I sit down for me. Don't put if a picture Jada Kingdom account. Don't you dare put her in your mind. Now go on.
You know I'm heavy.
Yeah. Of course me know say heavy. Every day I say I look for your Instagram. You can't tan daddy and tan to the and tan so bad. Go on.
And them other girls
no ready.
I know you see this.
Oh, Bombuckle, dog. In the first video, she just said something about, and she said, I know I see this bumper heavy. Me look for her and say, of course me see it. Me need for watch us tell her.
Bumper heavy.
Of course me see it. Me not blind. Me look like I am blind to you. I see you really not going on the video to blood click. Go on, we can't remember that word for word now. Run tune.
Yeah, caution sign.
Caution in a video.
Better brace yourself when me back it up. Cause my bumper.
You see me can share that big up fat jumbo look. This way she has my fire. You have to eat up by the wall, so dog. And brace yourself. You can't back to this. You have to push your back, youth. You know me I say? Run tune, Betty, what I call for the ears. Run tune.
Heavy.
And no ounce make the body, then you bounce, girl, you hip them a kilogram, boom.
More hear what you say. I love me I read the lyrics them. More hear what you say.
My bumper heavy.
Here comes the word boss people. Turn. Let's see. Let's go.
And no ounce make the body, then you bounce, girl, you hip them a kilogram, boom, a pound and it.
The man say, I don't ounce make your body a bounce. Dog say, eat them a kilogram and your pum a pound. Bombuckle, no. Kartel, you don't get a call for them. Yo, go on.
Me tight till it squeeze you, me love, dig it out and come.
The man say, take that squeeze her. And guess what? Him love dig it up. Woozy.
Oh, you mean need to tell me so you can't lift it up. Come me like you not drink no peanut.
Look a girl. Me remember say yo. Me remember how that same Bumbuckle Bell video me talk about from that Bumbuckle that January, December. Me say that every man strong and every man can lift up on the Bumbuckle out. Uno heavy. How me drink peanut punch regular too.
Radio, pick it up, slap it up, damage. Don't tell her Anna any man can handle it.
Can't see how just can't lift it up. More I'm told I'm ready for the lift it up and stab it up. I'm told. But just can't lift you up. You know I don't talk, you heavy. Fuck, chop blood clot, man. Go on.
So try don't panic. First you a talk like so you coulda money. Don't ramp with me. Mama heavy booty make you want me.
Jada Kingdom. I can manage you, but we just can't lift you up. You see me, I say? Alright. Don't talk about that. If it's something about can't lift up again and can't manage again, me come can you big head. Okay. No, go on.
Chat me, did I put it back your chat?
Your bumper we a ton heavy like me Chevy leg stick leg.
Your bumper we a ton. Listen to man. Heavy like me Chevy. Me want to go back here, man, say now. Bed broke. Oh, your bumper we a ton heavy like me Chevy. Heavy, what? I go and see you now. Heavy like me Chevy.
Feel like me Chevy leg stick bedrock sex expensive heavy everywhere she set it.
But look at that little part there, dog. Heavy. Oh Lord, I can't even do something good. Yeah. But now like that part there. Yeah. Now run it. Heavy like me Chevy, heavy, sexy, anywhere she set it.
Lexi sexy text me yes me.
Hold on, pause, hold on there. Heavy, sexy, yes me, and then Jada come say no I'm heavy. But now like that bad. Yeah, the remix, I made a feel like that spin. The remix are gone. Run through, no, I made that spin. You take a break on them day and I post a video. Go on!
Yeah, and them other girl no ready.
Phone I got alarm while I got that time just I got wake up. But guess what? I'm up. We are doing the reaction every right now. Run through. Bumper! Yeah! Heavy, you know that part there, already. And here comes Cartel with that. Oh, my represent first a country, them come here and say, oh, go on. Think you must have get like a bad man flow and come with the singing thing. But it good. Jamaican girls, cause I love ya. Which like this, that you know? So I'm to Soland, say just love Jamaican girl them, right? And you got wife your girl over Costa Rica. Alright, go on, me hear what I can say about the but me and your wife your girl them over. Tell me about the Bumbuckle better play. Alright, go on, bro, go on. Oh, okay. Yeah, me don't speak Spanish. Me don't know what you say a while ago. Sorry. Me not time I research. The last time I research, the last after me. Go on. I kind of feel tipsy. This from woozy. Go on, go wife them now. Yeah, we know song, that's some skip through song. If you say, big up on yourself, it's been about Tyrekevlogs reaction. Boss! I never try to edit them video. And the time is now. Fuck. We have work for go. Anyways, peace out. We need more minutes! Cap merch, run tune merch. I want to put it on a shirt, cap them. Yeah, see it there? Run tune, teaspoons. Link down below in description. Link down in the description. Don't know, scroll and I can see them myself on my shelf like I want a story there now. Yeah, think official, you hear about. You don't know, big up the guy with the good body, you don't know, chap. Thank God you check out the video. You did me I say, like the video people, if you don't like the video yet. If you watch the video right now, like the video, what the blood clot do I'm to you? What I'm to you, alright? Subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe. It's a means to big up on yourself. Find them fish, eat all them shit over there, huh? Gone for the 9 to 5 right now.